Hello you guys, my name is Stella and welcome back to my channel. This is a short little video to show you guys and talk to you about why I have not been here on YouTube the past 1.5 years or something. And I'm here to just, just talk about it. Dexter, I need you. Alright, you stay there. So, first things first is I don't like those kind of videos of people just, like talking about why they haven't been around. But I felt like it would be kind of weird if I just started a video about something random and I didn't tell you about what's been happening in my life for those of you who kind of like care about that. So yeah, I have moved. I have been through a lot the past year. It's been real. Even Dexter knows how real it's been. So yeah, I haven't been around. 2021 was a really tough year for me, mentally and physically. It has been very challenging. I had a lot of changes happening. I was locked up in the house for most of my time due to COVID restrictions and everything. I grew apart with my family, my friends. I gained a bunch of weight. You might be able to see some of it has been laying in the wrong spots. Some of it has been laying on the right ones. But yeah, I gained a lot of weight. I had acne. I was not very great mentally. And at the start of 2022, I also got COVID. So yeah, I got vaccinated. I don't really know if I should start by what happened earliest or what happened latest. I guess I can just tell you guys that I was doing my YouTube videos and then I remember I did a video where I shaved my face with like one of those razors and then I started growing like pimples everywhere and it looked very bad. So I was like, oh my god, I just screwed myself by doing this on my face. And then I realized that the reason why I started having acne again was that I stopped my birth control. So my birth control was kind of like keeping me, how can I explain it? It was kind of keeping me in a like a so-so mood. I don't know. It was kind of like a bland mood for most of the time, and that paired with like loneliness, I can say. Yeah, I was a little sad during 2021. He's sleeping. Am I boring you? Why are you drooling? Ugh. Why are you drooling? Yikes! So yeah, I stopped my birth control and a couple of months later I started having severe acne, like adult acne. I don't know if you're aware of what that does to your face, but it is pretty much your hormones just going crazy again as if you were in your teenage years, and it's not fun. And it's not gonna go away if you don't do something about it. So I spent a lot of time going to dermatologists. Some of the treatments worked, partially. Some of them didn't. I tried a lot of things. I did not try Accutane, so I have nothing to tell you about that. But anyways, I just got some pills, some medication, some creams, and it started finally going away. Until the time I started having acne, I did not even think, because growing up, I didn't have acne as a teenager. So I did not think about what a big impact it has for the way you see yourself and how you think of yourself. So that affected me a lot. Like, I could only just wear some mascara and feel okay, even if I had like a pimple here and there. But once I started having the acne issues, I could not go out without wearing like makeup, because it was kind of like, I don't think any of you guys think that acne is like beautiful and you should embrace it. Yeah, I think you should treat it. But anyways, it's hard and it's painful and it takes a lot of time, but you can do that. So yeah, I was feeling a little better while I was not on the pill. I was just feeling a little more energized, I can say. But yet again, it wasn't anything major. So I'm back on it. I don't know, some of you might judge that. Some of you might not care. After I stopped, I didn't see as many mood swings as before, but I don't know, it didn't seem like the whole acne experience was worth just stopping them. Anyways, yeah, if you guys want to stop the pill while you were on the pill for a long time, just make sure you know what might happen if you do. So there was this part of my life that I was just dealing with all that skin situation, and I was just stuck inside my home, and I was just gaining weight. I didn't want to have to do much with anything, pretty much. I streamed a lot, streamed long, and actually kind of burned myself out also. So yeah, I was not motivated to go on camera and do any of the videos I usually did. I was not really feeling like it, pretty much, but for a long period of time, which just kind of made me feel worse and worse. Yeah, to make a long story short, that was part 1 of my 2021, and then on the second part of 2021, I decided to move houses. I left my old neighborhood, which I have been living in for quite a long time, like 6 years I think, and I got the dog, I got myself, I got my things, and I moved to a place more in the center, you know, like kind of like being downtown. I figured that could give me some motivation to vlog a little bit and just, you know, like create some more content for you guys here. And that's actually working right now. Like I just started putting my together and actually just going through the process that I needed and actually feeling good about myself. And I don't know, it's been good, it's been real. I took a lot of lessons in 2021, so I gathered everything I have learned so far, and I am going to use it during this year to just make the most out of it. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope this year was like has started amazing for you or is going amazing still. I don't want to make this super long. I hope I didn't tire you. I just needed to just get this out of my chest for the people that were wondering why I wasn't doing any makeup, any lifestyle, nothing at all. But yeah, my skin was not able to showcase any makeup. Believe me when I say it. Maybe I can post some pictures of... Yeah, I don't know if I already managed to post some while I was talking about it. But yeah, now I'm feeling better. I'm following vegetarian, almost vegan diet. So not eating any dairy has helped, but it has actually left me with quite some marks and stuff. But yeah, this is me going back onto YouTube, and I hope you guys are having a great day. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content about, you know, like beauty, lifestyle, makeup, dogs. Do you want some more content about dogs? Do you want content about dogs? Boop. High five. Okay, so it's time for me to go. If you guys want a room tour or like a house tour, I'll be happy to do that for you guys. And if you want to ask me questions, like a little Q&A video, that would also be amazing, and I would be happy to record that for you. Yeah. I'll need some time to just get back into talking a lot in front of the camera without any interaction. But yeah, I hope to see you guys in the comments, and I love you guys so, so much. See you guys pretty soon. Okay, you know what? I got a new camera. Do you like it? Say hi.